Okay, just want to do this real quick because I'm being silly. I'm gonna pick a pepper or three. And I got 3 peppers. I believe these are supposed to be poblanos, but they're kind of small. And I've already grilled some beef short ribs, so don't get much fresher than that. I'm grilling some hot dogs for the wife. We do meal prepping on Sundays, and we'll cook all this and then we'll have it to eat during the week. Come back in a little bit and show you what I did. Alright, it's been a couple of minutes. We'll check the wieners because they cook pretty fast. I think they're pretty much done. Let them peppers cook for a little bit, see where we're at. Alright, let's see what's going on. It's been a couple minutes. Oh yeah. They're charred up nice. That skin will come right off. I'm actually going to let them go a little bit longer. That skin will slide off. Those will be some yummy peppers. Alright, let's get these peppers off the grill. Oh, they look delicious. We shall see. Alright, don't want to make you too jealous, but I just wanted to show you that I got those peppers there and they are delicious. A little spicy, but that's good. That's the way I like it.